I'm going to show you how you can easily use D2L for students. First, log in to your D2L account using your student credentials provided by your institution. From the home page, navigate to your courses list and select the course you want to access. Inside the course, click on the Content tab to view all course materials, lectures, and readings. Now use the Discussions tab to participate in class forums and interact with classmates and instructors. Then submit assignments by navigating to the Assignment section and following submission instructions. Check the Grades tab regularly to stay updated on your grades and feedback. Here, set up email notifications to receive alerts for course updates, assignments, and grades. Use the calendar to keep track of important deadlines, quizzes, and class schedules. If you encounter issues, use the Help section or contact your instructor for assistance.